Which magnetic vent phone mount is actually good? Simple question, but you need to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 options that might just fit your needs perfectly. Product number 1, Miracase Magnetic Phone Mount. First up is the Miracase Car Phone Holder for MagSafe. Priced at $14.39, this one caught my attention with its strong magnetic stability and impressive 4.4-star rating from over 12,000 reviews. If you want a reliable mount that keeps your phone secure while driving, this is worth a serious look. This is crucial for staying focused on the road. Plus, it's designed to work with pop sockets, so you won't have to remove your grip every time you hop in the car. The adjustable angle is a nice touch, letting you find the perfect viewing position without any noise or hassle. With compatibility for nearly all smartphones and vehicles, it covers a wide range of needs. Now some people said it struggles with thicker phone cases, which can affect the magnetic hold. Here's the thing though, if you use a MagSafe case or apply the included metal ring, it works perfectly. So this isn't a deal breaker, especially if you're mindful of your case choice. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy, user-friendly phone mount that won't scratch your car's vents. Skip this one if you have a thick case and prefer a different mounting style. Alright, if the MagSafe compatibility is a must-have for you, the next one might be even better suited for your needs. Product number 2, Keistel MagSafe Car Mount. Next up is the Keistel MagSafe Car Mount, available for just $9.98. With over 29,000 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's definitely a popular choice. If you're all about style and functionality, this might just be what you're looking for. This mount is specifically designed for MagSafe, which means it securely attaches without needing extra metal plates. The strong magnets provide reliable grip, allowing you to focus on driving without worrying about your phone falling off during sharp turns. And thanks to its mini size, it doesn't obstruct your view, keeping your dashboard clean and clear. Plus, the 360 degrees rotation allows for optimal positioning, whether you're using GPS or taking calls. However, some users mention that it doesn't support wireless charging, which could be a downside if you rely on that feature. But honestly, if you already have a dedicated charger or don't mind plugging in, this isn't much of an issue. This is great for those who want a stylish, compact mount that doesn't take up space. Skip this if you need wireless charging or prefer a different setup. Now, if you're looking for a mount that also doubles as a wireless charger, you'll want to hear about our next pick. Product number 3, LISEN MagSafe Car Charger Mount. Let's talk about the LISEN 15W MagSafe Car Mount Charger, priced at $15.27. With a 4.4-star rating and 6,500 reviews, it's a solid option for those who want to power up while on the road. If non-stop charging is your priority, this one's a must consider. That's super convenient for GPS navigation and phone calls during long drives. The 15W charging speed is impressive and designed to keep your device powered throughout your trip, especially beneficial for rideshare drivers who need their phone charged. However, some users pointed out that it works best with a bare phone or a slim case, as thick cases can interfere with the charging. But honestly, if you're using an official MagSafe case, you shouldn't run into any issues. This is perfect for tech-savvy users who want a mount that keeps their phone charged. Skip this if you don't have a MagSafe compatible setup or prefer wired charging. Now, if you're looking for a more affordable option without sacrificing quality, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Lamicall MagSafe Mount. Next is the Lamicall MagSafe Car Mount, priced at $8.99. With a 4.6-star rating from over 16,000 reviews, it's a favorite among many users. If you need an ultra-stable connection without breaking the bank, this could be a great fit. The Lamicall holder is designed with 20 powerful magnets that can hold up to 4.4 pounds, meaning it's built to last even under tough driving conditions. The metal hook design ensures that it won't snap easily, which is a common complaint with plastic mounts. Plus, it offers easy placement and adjustment, allowing you to position your phone at the perfect angle for navigation or calls. However, some users have mentioned that it may not fit all types of vent blades. So if your car has thicker vents or a different style, you might want to double-check compatibility. But honestly, if you have standard vents, this should work just fine. This is perfect for those who want a budget-friendly yet reliable mount. Skip this if you have uniquely shaped vent blades or need something more premium. If you're looking for great value, the last product on our list might surprise you. Product number 5, LISEN 2-pack magnetic holder. Finally, we have the LISEN 2-pack magnetic phone holder retailing for $14.98. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 18,700 reviews, this is a clever pick for anyone looking to save some cash. If you want 2 mounts for the price of 1, this is a no-brainer. The hook design forms 3 grasp points, which means they grip your vent tightly, a major upgrade from typical mounts. The universal compatibility means it can hold various smartphones, making it a great choice for families that share cars. However, you should know that it requires installing a metal plate on your phone or case for the best hold. Some might find that a hassle, but let's be real, once it's on, it's a secure holder that accommodates multiple devices. This is perfect for you if you want multiple mounts at a great price. Skip this if you prefer a single, more premium mount or are against using metal plates. So there you have it, 5 solid options for magnetic vent phone mounts that cater to different needs and preferences. In conclusion, we've covered the Mira case for its strong hold, the stylish Kai style, the charging features of LISEN, the budget-friendly Lamicol, and the value-packed LISEN 2-pack. Each has its strengths depending on what you're looking for. Whether it's stability, charging, or affordability, there's a mount here for you. Thanks for watching and drive safe.